Oh shit, we're gonna follow the ice cream man. It's not good for a fat guy. This ought to be a pretty good sound test coming down this road. We usually pick up some R's. We don't get behind somebody like this guy. Oh my God, dude. At least do the speed limit. This turn, usually there's a little bit of gravel out in the road, maybe. Going up, yep, right there it is. Hit some bumps into the construction area. Did it? Yeah, like I say, guys, this is just going to be a quick jaunt around the whole block here. Do a look around and see what we can get out of the audio. Maybe we can make some improvements here. We'll swing through up here at one of our little local elementary schools. Gates open. There it is. I'm no Jerry Palladino ride like a pro by any means, but every now and then I get up here, rather than using 4 parking spots, I'll use 2 bus parking spots. Try to do my back-to-back U-turns. I'll just swing through, do a few of these every now and then, and I'll get them closer and closer as I go. Like this is, I'm doing 3 wide here. There you go. And I just run me a circle till I can get tighter and tighter. There's 2. And then we do a figure 8 here. Now we're at wide on that one. Let's do a few of these. Just because I can. Got me a little practice in, now I go home. Try to get a little better in my skills, which I do need to brush up and do a little better. Man, I should have done a few more figure eights, avoid some of this traffic.